Hey y'all, Nadine here, and today we're going to review the Fullstar Veggie Chopper here. This is the all-in-one, and it is heavy duty, and it is awesome. Check out all the different things it has in it and how to actually use this one here. So first we saw this attachment that you enter right in there, and that little slider right on there is how you remove it and add it in there. Now, I made a mistake, and I forgot to put my little black attachment on the top. Check it out. It's not going to work if you don't add that. You're just going to snap it right in there by connecting those little two black pieces here and just snap right in. Once you have it in there, then you can start your chopping process. And I can honestly say I've never chopped up my onions so fast and tear-free. It's amazing. It doesn't even take that much force to actually tap it in there for the onion to go right through. If you feel it, it actually feels a lot more heavy duty than other choppers that I've had before, which is amazing. And then it has a pull-out drawer rather than removing the whole thing by itself. So you just pull out the drawer and take your vegetables right out. It also has this great drawer where you can put all your attachments right in there. It has your shredders, a couple of different shredders, a minced small onion chopper or veggie chopper, and then a larger veggie chopper. And don't forget the spiral right there. And then you have your slicer. There is also the attachment to hook up to your fruits or vegetables on there, or cheese, so you can slice them easily and keep yourself protected in there. And then you put the slicer right in there. It has the different sizes on there. You just slide it to how thick or thin you want it. And don't forget that the drawer is removable in there. It has a lot of great attachments. One of my favorites is the spiralizer here. The spiralizer is great to make 3 different kinds of veggie or fruit pastas in there. You have your julienne thin, julienne thick, and then you have your ribbon cut, which I am doing right now with my pear. That pear was absolutely delicious, by the way, and it just works great and makes for fun veggie pasta for your meals. This is a great piece. I think it's gonna last a long time. Definitely sturdier and heavier duty than the choppers I've had before.